Starting a small business. 5 important things to do first. In the last 8 years, the number of people starting their own businesses has exploded. This is happening mainly because starting a business has never been easier. It can also be the result of demand for specialized products or services such as social media management, training, or consulting. Whatever the reason, the world is full of entrepreneurs than ever. Many of these entrepreneurs started their businesses when they still had 9-to-5 jobs. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon for a new motivational video every single day. If you are thinking of starting your side business, but you are not sure what steps to take, you are in luck. In this video, we'll look at the critical steps you need to take before starting your own side business. Taking these steps will eliminate many of the problems that entrepreneurs will inevitably face. 1. Decide if you want a side hustle or a small business. One of the first things to do before starting a small business is deciding whether you really want to start a small business or just a side hustle to earn some extra money. It appears like the side work is the thing to do nowadays. Probably fueled by the temp economy, side business has become a way to earn extra money while working full-time. Companies like Fiverr, Uber, and Airbnb have allowed anyone to earn some extra money. 2. Assess your strengths. Running a business, even a side business, takes a lot of work. It also requires talent, commitment, and a necessary skill set. That is why it is important that you qualify yourself to make sure you are up to the task. You may have the talent to run your side business, but you may not have the experience to design a logo or create a website. So what if you find that you don't have all the skills to run your side business? Does this mean that you must rescue the idea? Absolutely. The good news is that skills can be developed with time and practice. You can also outsource other skills to freelancers in Upwork or Fiverr. 3. Create a clear plan with deadlines. If you have a goal of starting your own business, it is important to create a plan and set a date for that goal. Otherwise, it is just a dream. As with any goal, the better the plan, the more likely you are to achieve it. Before embarking on your business journey, you need to decide what steps to take and set deadlines for those steps. 4. Make sure it's worth your time. In the world of startup and business, there are many reasons that can lead to business failure. One of the most notable reasons is the lack of money. This could mean a lack of money to keep the business going. Or it could be the lack of profit that makes the whole business not worth doing. For example, you may want to start a business for services like teaching or training that doesn't require a lot of money to start. You still have to make sure that the money you make is worth it. It may be nice to have someone write you a check of $50 for an hour and a half of teaching, but you need to count in driving time, fuel, and the sacrifice of time with friends and family. 5. Set working hours. One of the most important things to do is deciding when to go working. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is not spending sufficient number of hours each day to develop their small business. They treat it as a hobby that they hope it will pay off one day. For your side business to be successful, you will need to treat it like a real business. This means that you will have to choose your own working hours. One advantage of working for an employer is that they tell you when to come and when to leave. This may not sound like a good thing to you, but when running a business, you need to know the best time to work. You may have to work on your side business in the evening after you get home from work. Or maybe you spend 4 hours each weekend growing your business. The time you choose to work in the business is important. What matters is that you take the time to invest in the business. It will be much easier for you and your family to decide at what time you will work for your small business.
If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon for a new motivational video every single day.